maple syrup, marinated tempeh with noodles and Asian greens. Prepare the ingredients. Bring a pot of water to the boil, add whole wheat noodles, cut the tempeh into 2mm strips, juice 1 orange, grate 1 piece of ginger, finely slice 2 garlic cloves, slice 1 small red chilli, cut the bok choy stems lengthwise, place in a bowl the chilli, garlic and ginger, add the orange juice, add the maple syrup, add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of tamari, 1 tablespoon of mirin and mix well. Add the sliced tempeh and marinate it for a few minutes. Heat a frying pan over a high heat. Add the marinated tempeh and cook until brown on both sides. Add the marinade to the pan, then simmer until the marinade evaporates. Remove the tempeh from the pan. Add 1 cup of vegetable stock and stir well. Add the baby bok choy and steam the greens. Remove the bok choy. Place the noodles on a bowl. Place the bok choy on top of the noodles. Place the tempeh on top of the bok choy. Pour over the broth. Top with fresh coriander, then serve.